how to change time in Tradingview. This is what you will learn in this video. So first step, that you have to open the Tradingview website, and then you need to go to the products and then click super charts, because that's where you will see the time towards the bottom right corner, as you can see over here. Close this right window so that we can see the whole panel clearly. Now you can see that the time is here in UTC. So in order to change this time zone, what you can do is that you can go to the settings, and when this window opens, you need to click these symbols, and within this symbol tab you need to come down, and right at the bottom you will see UTC, which means GMT. And from here you can select your own country zone. For example, I'm going to select this GMT +5 for my country. I'm just going to wait for some time, and as you can see here that the time has changed. Now it is UTC +5. There is one easier way to do it, that you can just click on this time also, and then you can go to back to any other time zone. For example, if I want to go back to the UTC, you can see that now the time zone has again changed. Thanks for watching.